The VM60SR is a high-performance forestry mulcher designed for efficient land clearing and vegetation management. Its powerful cutting system rapidly processes trees and brush, creating valuable mulch that promotes soil health and supports reforestation efforts. Think of it as nature's reset button, clearing the way for a whole new ecosystem. No way. If I hadn't seen this Valmet 840.3 in action, I'd never believe this road was meant for hauling. Thick mud in some spots, even swallowing the wheels. The operator must be a freaking magician, and the power of this Valmet 840.3 is just mind-blowing. Like Jeremy Clarkson would say, what a machine. Check this out, guys. It's like magic turning bamboo strands into super strong outdoor decking. So cool, right? If these coastal pines could scream, they'd be shrieking when the C-144 harvester rolls into town. It's like a facehugger on steroids, only instead of laying eggs, it's harvesting timber at a ridiculous 75 cubic meters per hour. Forget chainsaws and axes. This thing makes logging look like a leisurely stroll through the woods. Time to retire those old tools and let the C-144 do the heavy lifting. The Ponce Elk KK90 exemplifies the synergy achievable when cutting-edge technology meets skilled operation. Its power and agility, coupled with the operator's expertise, transform timber handling into a seamless process. The rapid loading of 19 logs into the trailer underscores the machine's efficiency and the operator's proficiency. This is a testament to maximizing productivity while minimizing time expenditure. Sunlight paints the Sierra Nevada in gold as a logger's saw whispers through a majestic Jeffrey pine. It's a bittersweet symphony, a farewell to a forest giant, a prelude to 1,000 new beginnings. The video you are watching shows logging activities in Grand Rapids, Minnesota, USA. This is what I call teamwork. It's like a symphony of efficiency, with each person and machine playing their part perfectly. I'm getting inspired just watching this. Imagine what we could achieve if we brought this level of coordination to other industries. The possibilities are endless. Imagine a tree as a giant Jenga tower, each branch and knot a potential point of collapse. You're the player, carefully removing pieces, trying to control the fall. But remember, even the most skilled Jenga player can't predict every outcome. That's why having an escape route is crucial. Even when you think you're doing everything right, the tree can fool you. Ever seen a chainsaw on steroids? That's the Deming logging show in a nutshell. It's where lumberjacks turn into rock stars, and chainsaws become their screaming guitars. Watching those guys wrestle a V8 powered saw through a giant log is like witnessing a man tame a wild beast. It's raw power and precision, and it'll leave you buzzing for days. Well, wouldn't you know it, this man went and built himself a woodcutter right out of his own backyard. It took a bit of time to set up, but now it's as easy as pie to use and safe as houses too. I reckon he'll keep making it even better, and that's something to look forward to. Holy moly, that's like a scene straight out of an action movie. Those logs are giants, the river's a beast, and that truck's dancing on the edge. Those drivers must have nerves of steel and reflexes like lightning. It's terrifying and thrilling all at once. A real roller coaster of emotions. This short video is a stark testament to the power of technology, highlighting the gulf between traditional manual labor and the efficiency of modern machinery. However, the image of a muscular man, drenched in sweat, struggling to fell a tree with only an axe is truly a powerful one. Do you think unloading timber is easy? You'll think again when you see this. These massive logs require a specialized forklift and a skilled operator to bring them down from the transport truck. It's not easy, folks. Everything is tense, and just a small mistake can lead to an accident at any time. The Wood-Mizer LT70 sawmill is a versatile and powerful tool designed to meet the needs of both hobbyists and professionals. Its impressive cutting capacity, combined with its user-friendly features and portability, make it an ideal choice for anyone looking to take their woodworking to the next level. The German-engineered Welt 130K skidder, boasting a 190 HP engine, is a top-tier choice for the arduous task of extracting felled trees from the forest. When paired with the 28F Epsilon S110F crane, this skidder transforms into an unparalleled powerhouse of timber transportation. As the video demonstrates, the Welt 130K effortlessly grapples 60 SURF logs and easily navigates challenging terrain. With a starting price of $126, this machine is a sound investment for any forestry operation seeking to maximize efficiency and productivity. After their epic journey, the logs are ceremoniously offloaded at sprawling log yards, poised for sorting and processing. This colossal crane, a marvel of engineering, will leave you awestruck with its agility and precision. Handling thousands of tons of timber daily, it's no wonder it's the undisputed MVP of the lumberyard. Imagine standing in a New Zealand forest in winter. It's a breathtaking scene, but it's also a reminder of our ongoing struggle against nature's forces. We've been at it for centuries, and we're not backing down. Nature might be powerful, but so are we. This cargo ship is battling a tempest in the Kuril Islands of the Northwest Pacific. The ocean's might is humbling. We humans are but specks in its vastness. Nature's grace has allowed us to thrive thus far. Through towering waves, gale-force winds, and freezing temperatures, the ship and its crew fight for survival. And as the sun rises on a new day, a smile and a deep breath mark another victory against the elements. Traditionally, debarking logs was laborious and time-consuming. However, the Meber SLH has transformed this process. This powerful machine, handling logs up to 1.2 meters, demonstrates remarkable efficiency and precision. Its adjustable heads ensure optimal bark removal across various log sizes, consistently delivering exceptional results. The SLH exemplifies how technology can streamline once arduous tasks. Holy smokes, that skitter's hauling a mountain of timber. It's like a little ant carrying a massive leaf. Makes you wonder if it's even safe, but man, it's an impressive sight. Sustainable forestry isn't just a choice, it's our responsibility. Let's protect our forests, not just for us, but for everyone who comes after. Old truckers often reminisce about the thrill of those treacherous roads. But what truly tugs at their heartstrings are the memories of rumbling cab-over engines, the mingled scents of diesel and pine, and the sight of windrows turning under the summer sun. Those are the moments they long for, day in and day out. New Zealand boasts a thriving forestry sector, renowned for its year-round harvesting of radiata pine. This bustling activity transforms the Kangaroa and Murupara timber yards into vibrant hubs, teeming with colossal logging trucks. Efficient transportation networks are the lifeblood of this industry, ensuring the seamless flow of resources and fueling economic growth. All right, everyone, hands up if you've been scratching your heads about this machine. Well, I did some digging, and it turns out it's all about growing top-notch timber. You know, the kind that's perfect for fancy furniture? The secret is to get rid of those knotholes. So you prune the dead branches, and the tree grows wider instead of developing those imperfections. Pretty clever, huh? That's the whole purpose of this machine right here. Hey guys, have you seen this awesome gadget? It's the log hauler, and it's like a superhero for your ATV. It can move huge 20-inch logs with ease. It's super nimble, and it's budget-friendly too. If you got a small workshop or you're a wood enthusiast, you've got to check this out. Witnessing the Kockums Logma, 8541. The limber processor in action is like seeing a piece of engineering history come to life. Developed in Sweden in the late 1960s, this machine is a marvel of innovation. It's built on a 3-axle forwarder chassis with a delimbing unit that uses a pair of delimbing heads featuring wraparound and fixed knives, ensuring exceptional delimbing quality. The boom can extend up to 12 meters with a stroking speed of 2.5 meters per second, handling logs with a butt diameter up to 60 centimeters. The Scania R650 V8 is more than just a pretty face. It's a testament to engineering excellence. That 650 horsepower engine is a beast, delivering the torque needed to haul heavy loads with ease. The manual gearbox offers unparalleled control, while the advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride even on rough terrain. This truck is built for the long haul, and it shows. Even with its 2 rear wheels missing, this truck is still cruising smoothly around the construction site. What a shocking sight. The excavator went down, but thank goodness the everyone is okay. The train was hitting so much snow, the engineer just laid on the horn the whole trip. The stubbornness has doubled. These 2 Volvos are perfectly synchronized in every shape. If I was his boss, I would have docked him for time wasting. Splitting that lift in 2 would have taken half the time. What a prat. Witnessing a fully loaded log truck navigating down an off-road, slippery mud hill is nothing short of nerve-wracking. The truck slid precariously on the treacherous path, a testament to the extreme danger of the job. Despite the hazardous conditions, the drivers showcased incredible skill and control, ensuring the safe extraction of wood. Wow, 操，牛逼！摇动车了呗。嘿，查帮个上。来吧，来，这里要倒1把或2把，今天都拉少，因为这路太滑了。3, 2, 1, bow. The driver probably has gotten used to maneuvering like this. Incredible. That crane and truck are teetering like they're in the world's most dangerous seesaw game. This bicycle marks the edge of a sinkhole. Thankfully, no one was hurt. On icy and snowy roads, safety comes first when driving. Can you believe it? The Kobelco excavator is sliding down the slope like the wind. This excavator looks exhausted. It could really use a break. Hurry up, get moving, buddy. The weary timber ships, their hulls heavy with cargo, finally reached their destination. The dock bustled with activity as cranes, excavators, and timber trucks orchestrated the unloading process. This operation typically spans 1 to 7 days, contingent upon the vessel's dimensions and cargo volume. So you're looking for a tractor that can do it all? Well, look no further than the HL21. It's compact, powerful, and versatile, perfect for any job on your list. And guess what? It gets even better. Team it up with the Woody H61 harvester head, and you've got a timber harvesting dream team. This combo is all about precision and flexibility, making your work easier and more efficient. You'll be saving time, energy, and getting the job done right, no matter the terrain. Sounds pretty good, right? It's a win-win. Holy smokes, guys, this thing is giving me the creeps. Talk about judging a book by its cover. This wood chipper might look cute, but it's got the strength of a freaking giant. It can shred trees up to 200 mm thick and spits out 14 cubic meters of wood chips per hour. Check out the video, and you'll be scared stiff too. Wow, they calculated that this cheesy wood giant is 1,000 years old. Watching it get transported to the sawmill is both mesmerizing and bittersweet. The precision and efficiency of these wood-cutting machines are a true testament to modern engineering. But it's such a shame to see a tree that old and magnificent being cut down. A fascinating, yet somber sight. The Dipper Fox SC600 stump grinder is like a monster to any stump it faces. Why? Well, stumps are basically like tiny pencil tips compared to this beast. It's like those old school sharpeners in the classroom on a quiet test day. You know, the ones that make that terrifying grinding noise. Reforestation plays a critical role in environmental conservation and ecological balance. Forests not only provide oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide, but also serve as habitats for countless species. Plantma X represents a significant advancement in reforestation technology. Its ability to sow seeds accurately and efficiently over large areas will not only increase reforestation productivity, but also significantly reduce costs in labor. John Deere 1110E? Nah, call it the John Deere Mountain Goat. Seriously, this thing laughs at hills. But your bank account might need a defibrillator after seeing the price tag. We're talking $350,000. Those colossal logging trucks look like mere Tonka toys, dwarfed by this behemoth of a vessel. The timber, upon arrival at the dock, is expeditiously transferred into the cavernous cargo hold. Within this steel womb, stevedores are making better stowage with a digger machine, orchestrating the meticulous arrangement of the lumber. Once the hold is brimming, the remaining timber is artfully arranged on the expansive deck. All is in readiness for the arduous journey across the vast ocean. Gisborne, nestled on New Zealand's North Island's eastern coast, is a prime candidate for afforestation. It boasts rapid tree growth, moderately sloped terrain, robust forestry infrastructure, and a world-class port for timber export. In scenarios where terrain poses challenges and timber volumes are manageable, animal traction emerges as a financially prudent alternative to mechanized solutions. While technological advancements have largely supplanted this practice, certain regions continue to embrace the use mule power as a cultural touchstone, preserving a time-honored tradition. Massive trucks lumber across serpentine passes and steep grades at night. Seeing a cab-over's glittering chrome emerge from the darkness, and dust is a visceral, adrenaline-pumping spectacle. Upon reaching the lumberyard, the L260H swiftly executes its unloading duties. Its robust grapple and hydraulic cylinders, showcasing the impressive efficiency of this wheel loader. I can't even... It's like something out of a dream. Thousands of logs flowing down this ancient river. It's majestic. It's awe-inspiring. It's the most incredible thing I've ever seen. Helicopters? Hauling timber? Mind blown. This isn't your grandpa's logging operation. It's like something out of a sci-fi flick. Gotta be a fortune, and I wouldn't want to be up there in a storm. But man, what a sight to behold. Whoa, the Peterbilt 359 wasn't just any truck, man. It was like a total legend in the logging world. You could hear that engine rumbling from miles away, and it was the coolest sound ever. It was like a symbol of the American spirit, man. Holy smokes, this is insane. I thought loading a ship was boring, but this is like a scene out of a movie. Those cranes are monsters and the logs are flying through the air. It's like a ballet, but with danger. I can't believe how much wood they're putting on that ship. It's like they're trying to build a floating forest. This is the most exciting thing I've seen all week. Can you believe it? The crane is functioning perfectly even though it's not grounded. What a rebellious trailer. It unhooked itself and went for a joyride. Luckily, no accidents happened. After spending a long time cooling off in the icy water, this heavy equipment was finally pulled out. This is a tough job getting the digger off the silage pit. Luck was on his side today. The overloaded wood truck crossed the bridge just in time before it came crashing down. After stepping out to take a phone call, all he could do was helplessly watch as his truck toppled over right before his eyes. A la madre! Maybe he can't carry this burden across the river. It looks like this truck has its own extreme unloading style. Oh, look at him fumbling with his leg. The Ponce Buffalo Forwarder is a highly capable machine, engineered to excel in demanding forestry operations. Its impressive 14-ton payload capacity and adaptable crane reach make it ideal for diverse terrains. The operator's comfort and safety are prioritized, ensuring optimal productivity. While the initial investment is substantial from $300,000 to $500,000, the Buffalo's fuel efficiency and robust construction translate to long-term cost savings. It's a sound investment for any forestry enterprise. Whoa, check out this wild ride. Hauling timber on snow road is no joke, but this driver's making it look easy. Or maybe a little too easy. You know, it's all fun and games until someone slides off the road. Better safe than end up like this, right? I have no complaints about the logger's skills. He did a fantastic job. But that cameraman, standing within the tree's falling zone during the cut? Maybe I'm being too critical, though. What do you guys think? Hit me up in the comments. Moorbark's 5048X is a testament to their engineering prowess. The Advantage 3 drum and 28-inch capacity are impressive, but it's the real-world performance that sets it apart. I spoke to a guy who ran those Model 30s back in the day, and he said those Cat V8s with 1100 horsepower were nearly impossible to choke. That's the kind of reliability and power you get with a Moorbark. This 5048X is the evolution of that legacy. A chipper that's built to handle anything you throw at it, day in and day out.
We don't have much quota this week, so we've been hired to do a land clearing job or on and get the stumps up. But this is 5048.
This truck's thrilling expedition through the jungle was nothing short of exciting.
On top of your right, at the back. Where the pen come in, let them look at the next one there. Can't unlock the story.
Incredible luck. The Cat 793 made a smooth landing on the ship. No harm done, and everyone's safe. Heart-stopping moment when a truck carrying a crane misjudged the height and crashed into an elevated crane structure. Luckily, everyone stayed safe. The 70-ton crane's sudden collapse during unloading was beyond anyone's expectations. Luckily, he was safe when the gigantic crane crashed down. In a split second after he jumped down, the excavator started to tilt, ultimately losing its balance and collapsing entirely. Hurry up, faster! He already has a soft cushion waiting for him on the side. With every bit of skill they had, both drivers managed to avoid a collision. The truck and the car are safe, but the gate wasn't so lucky. This Correspond timber operation is a well-oiled machine, running year-round. Sumitomo SH240 log loaders, the workhorses of the industry, deftly maneuver massive logs onto waiting trucks. It's a testament to the skill and experience of the operators. Once loaded, these timber-laden trucks embark on their journey to regional log yards, where the logs are transferred to ocean-going vessels, contributing to the region's economic vitality. This ain't your grandma's jigsaw puzzle we're dealing with here. These birch logs are slippery suckers, especially with Mother Nature dumping snow on us. It's a delicate dance, folks. Finesse over force. We gotta stack them tight, move them smooth, and beat the weather before it beats us. This ain't no walk in the park, but with a little finesse and elbow grease, we'll get it done.
It's my last day today. I didn't sleep in the truck yesterday. I listened from the previous video. In video it doesn't. Today is Sunday. We can pick them up later too. Got too much logs. I wonder how they achieved that improvement of a room.
That truck screamed in agony, and the outcome was worse than imagined. It was like a scene from an action movie. That driver showed incredible courage in that heart-stopping moment. all their efforts just seem to make things worse. If moving forward feels too tough and challenging, then going in reverse is also a viable option. The Petzolato PTH 1400 washer 1000 all-road self-propelled drum chipper boasts an astonishing 380 cubic meters per hour output, powered by a 700 HP Volvo engine. This wood chipper is a productivity powerhouse, with a maximum inlet of 1400 x 1100 millimeter, capable of devouring most medium and small trees. Ever seen a truck that's longer than a blue whale? Meet the Scania R770 V8, a marvel of engineering designed for optimal efficiency in the wood chip transport industry. This truck is a true titan of the European roads, boasts a staggering length of 34 meters and a gross weight of 98 tons. Its impressive capacity allows for a 30% reduction in transport frequency, making it an indispensable asset for the Södertälje power plant in Sweden. Unlike loading lumber onto mere trucks, stacking it onto colossal barges is a symphony of brawn and brains. It's a delicate dance of ensuring stability, orchestrating weight distribution across the barge, and choreographing robust lashing techniques to prevent lumber from waltzing during transit. Every move demands meticulousness and precision. Whoa, this is like straight out of an old movie. The gloomy snow, those massive logs covered in white, the rusty old machines. It's like stepping back in time to when our grandparents worked in the timber industry. Anyone else getting flashbacks to their grandpa's stories? Holy smokes, working on those slopes is insane. The second that winch lifts a bit, the Bulldog doesn't just roll downhill, it freaking surfs down it. Seriously, how do they keep their cool? However, such work demands exceptional skill and composure. Safety protocols must be meticulously followed to mitigate potential hazards. Okay guys, tell me I'm not the only one obsessed with this video. The bandsaw's sound is kinda hypnotic, right? And those jackfruit logs are beautiful. Seriously, that bandsaw is insanely fast. These guys are masters. Their handwork is flawless. 3 different timber sizes, 1 log, no waste, just skill. Amazing, isn't it? That bush didn't stand a chance against that forestry mulching Barco 937. It's like using a chainsaw to cut butter. The bush turned into mulch in a blink, and the terrain was cleared in no time. I guess I don't need to say anything more about the power of the Barco 937, huh? This video is a sobering reminder of how much pent-up energy is lurking in a tree under tension, like a tightly wound spring ready to snap. It really underscores the importance of proper felling techniques, learned from a qualified professional, to safely control that power and prevent serious accidents. Absolutely mind-blowing. This concept, something you've never even considered, is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a symphony of chaos, orchestrated with precision. A beautiful paradox, wouldn't you agree? Winter logging? Talk about a nightmare. Brutal cold, slick roads, frozen machinery. But then the timberjack 18NB rolled onto the scene and basically said, "Hold my beer." This beast is all about power, stability, and a never-say-die attitude that laughs in the face of snow-covered forests. Bottom line, it's a productivity powerhouse that'll make any timber operation drool. Safety first, folks. When you're hauling a mountain of wood, a keen eye and a level head are your best tools. A misstep can turn a lumber delivery into a lumber disaster. With meticulous precision, the seasoned trucker secures the stamped timber, transforming his rig into a fortress of wood. His odyssey commences. Weaving through the breathtaking Kootenay Peaks of British Columbia. Ascending the heights above the shimmering Kootenay Lake, he navigates treacherous descents, skirting the water's edge before embarking on a scenic ferry passage to the charming town of Preston, his cargo's final destination. When dogs bark at cars like that, we say that they were traffic cops in a past life. The only way to save the truck is to remove that pile of bricks directly. It was a double slip. First the cat dozer, then the truck on the snowy slope. Fortunately, no injuries were reported. Oh my God, the moment death came knocking, it's a miracle the driver managed to escape safely just in time. The driver couldn't have seen this coming. That puddle created a major blind spot for him. A flawless finishing move. Way too risky to take this path, but luckily the driver got out just in time. The level of skill from this driver is simply exceptional. Seeing the Komatsu excavator leave the truck with dust flying everywhere, I can't help but think the driver is an idiot. This is the process they use to unload those massive concrete pipes, regardless of their size, from the truck. So cute, the way it was losing traction while pointed up like that, like a little tortoise flipped on, its back kicking, its legs. The driver too was real cool, giving thumbs up. When the bridge collapsed, the truck was left half submerged in the river, and the rescue team soon arrived to recover it. Is it a truck or a boat? This vehicle seems to be testing its limits in the water. Clearly, the incorrect placement of the tie-downs from the start led to the truck sustaining more damage than benefiting from the rescue effort. It's crazy. The tug of war between the truck, the crane, and the mud pit shows no sign of stopping. Let's get moving, brother.